Hey, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX channel, and this is the Redmi Note 7 Pro. Now the Android 12 Beta 1 ported ROM is available for this Redmi Note 7 Pro. As you can see, if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button and also allow the notifications. And if you like the video, give it a like. And this is the booting animation you get for this Android 12 Beta 1 ported ROM for Redmi Note 7 Pro. As you can see, this is the lock screen. As you can see, Android Beta program, okay. And this is how the pattern, the thickness of this, and this is the bug you will get, thermal buffers. And this is the new quick settings panel you get in this Android 12 Beta 1 of this Redmi Note 7 Pro ported ROM. And as you can see, this is how the quick settings panel it looks, and dark theme and extra dim options are also given in this ROM, as you can see. And this is how the settings panel look in the dark mode, and this is how the quick settings panel, little bit new style, tiles type. It's similar to MIUI control center, but anyhow it's different from all the Android recently, from Oreo to this. This is new Material U user interface, I mean the Material U design, as you can see. And if you click here, styles and wallpapers, from here you can choose the different wallpapers. And from here, let me show you this colors. As you can see, now I changed to green. It will change according to that accent colors. The quick settings panel also changes. This is how the new quick settings panel you can see in this. This is also the lock screen with thick fonts and the thick unlocking pattern you will get in this Android 12 Beta 1. Let's see in the upcoming betas and stable updates what all new changes we'll see, and lot of changes are also available in this video. Do watch till the end of the video such that you'll understand completely. And this how, as you can see, extra dim on and off and dark theme also you can enable from here in the quick settings panel. This is the major change you can notice in the Android 12. Let me change one more color and I will show you. As you can see, let me change it to black and a spherical type icon type. You will get this kind of quick settings panel. As you can see, you can even extra dim on and off, and even the dark mode, dark theme on and off. I don't like the dark theme here, but anyhow, this is how it's not completely dark. In the camera it's showing dark, but it is gray actually. And this is all the settings you get. This is the major change you notice in the Android 12, the quick settings thing. You can add here the quick settings panel. As you can see, this is how the Android 12 ROM is. And coming to Play Store, and you need to make it certified by using Magisk Manager. I also made a video of flashing this ROM. Do check out, link is in the description, also card is given. And coming to safety and status, it's fast and retro music player is pre-installed. And this all the apps I have installed. And this is how the notifications panel you get below the quick settings. As you can see, even the bubble option is also given. Notification bubbles options are also given. Let me show you. Let me unlock. As you can see, like this you can use the notification bubbles also. It's working fine. From there in the notification settings or even in the app you can change the settings. And coming to Geekbench 5 scores, as you can see, I am running this course live here. It takes a little bit of time. I will fast forward it. And this is a ported ROM but stable ROM. Someone want to just check the Android 12 Beta 1, then you can definitely flash this. It's a very good score, as you can see. And coming to speed test, I have here like 100 Mbps plan. As you can see, it's pulling up to 95 Mbps, and even the SIM card network and the signal reception is also fine. Nothing bad or good. It's same as any ROM. and from here you can take the screenshot, as you can see. When coming to battery settings, here also a little bit of user interface visuals has been changed. As you can see, battery percentage and adaptive preferences, you can adaptive charger, adaptive battery, turn it on from here. Even the extreme battery saver in the battery saver is also given. As you can see, if you use battery saver, it will directly goes to dark theme, and these are the extreme battery saver settings. And the sound and vibration, nothing new as of now. Let's see in the upcoming beta or the stable Android 12 ROMs, we'll see some of the changes. And this is the lock screen settings you get. Nothing new here also, just the overall visuals has been also changed from developer preview to this beta ROM, if you notice. And this is how the display settings, you get all the features. As you can see, double tap to wake is also given, and this new lock screen settings is also good to see. They name it as Material U Design. Let's see how it will be. As of now, it's good. And this is how you need to make safety net status fast by using this magic. You need to hide here, as you can see, magic said. Then you need to clear storage of the Play Store, and then the device gets certified. You need to do it initially after flashing this ROM, then your device gets certified. And beta program, it shows like this. I already shown this. And this is how the quick settings panel is the highlight of this Android 12. It's a major change compared to any Android versions previously have what we have seen. And coming to accessibility menu, here also I have seen this major menu settings. As you can see, you will get button instead of swiping down from the pill. This is very good, easy way comparing to that swiping from the bottom. It's difficult. I already shown in many ROMs. Do check out my previous videos also, you will notice that. And this is the volume panel you get. This also visually it has very good change, and this are the extra settings if you want. But anyhow, the volume panel is also changed. And this is the accessibility menu. From here you can operate everything without using the physical buttons of your smartphone. And this is the privacy settings. Lots of new things are added and many are coming. Even the location settings are also made simple and easy to use. It's fine. Settings panel is also very good. Its one-handed usage is easy in the Android 12. And that's all guys in this video. I have made flashing video also, and do comment down if you want to see any gaming video also of this ROM. And if you are still not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and also allow the notifications. And if you like the video, give it a like, and see you in the next